Myself Ashutosh Sahu and my partner name is Shubhadeep Roy. We are currently studying in SOA ITR and in BTech Computer Science. Our project name is RFID Door Lock Control System and our group number is 26.
Today we are here to demonstrate the project of RFID door lock system, which enables customers or daily home users to ensure the security of their house, which we do with the new technology, which is RFID scanner tags and some keys which come in the form of cards or tags. Let's begin our demonstration. Here is the incorrect tag, which on sticking to the scanner does not open the door but produces a beep sound signifying the wrong access key. Now let's do the same way with the correct card. The lock's open. Let's do it once again.